How tuts, nouns, badge, equipment, fog, helmet, injury, intersection, kneepad, ostrich, risk, shock, snowstorm, real talk, guess, look at it this way, verbs, adjust, avoid, crash, encounter, misjudge, obey, occur, pay attention, prevent, release, skid, speed, swerve, tailgate, weave, lucky day, stuck in, verbs for, injuries, break, burn, cut, die, fracture, poke, scar, slip, sprain, aggressive, cautious, distracted, drowsy, injured, rude, severe, unconscious, reflexive, because, so.
Anorexia, appetite, carbohydrate, counselor, eating disorder, fitness, peer pressure, principle, self-worth, substance, well-being, avoid, gain weight, lose weight, regain, achievable, bland, depressed, illegal, lean, nutritious, old-fashioned, slim, give up, put off, take up, throw away, turn down, cut down on, get along with, put up with, feeling down, look out for myself, to be honest.
Demonstration. Funding. Junk mail. Spam. Supplier. Travel arrangement. Apologize for. Contact. Dispatch. Import. Inconvenience. Wonder. Put someone up. Feasible. Soaked. Urgent. Currently. Indifferently. Although. As soon as. Even though. In spite of. Be on the road. Get used to. Look forward to. Out of mind. Out of sight. Sneak out. Take advantage of. Best regards. Be straight. Let someone down. No way. Of course. Amount. Benefit. Cash. Charity. Desert island. Empire. Encounter. Extraterrestrial. Leader. Laureate. Mankind. Philanthropist. Prize. Quiz show. Stock market. Technology. Universe. Wish. Award. Benefit. Divide. Invest. Split. Wish. Close. Handwritten. Historical. Lonely. Keep in touch. Have a ball. This guy. To me. You wouldn't know.